So I'm trying to get Mojave onto my system here, and it's saying I need a software update. Looks like this is the last security update for High Sierra, and I thought I put this on before. I know it did a firmware update, so I'm curious what this is going to do. I'm not sure why it's degraded again back to this point, but let's see what happens. So I got the Sapphire card in here. Let's do a restart now and see what this thing does. And funny enough, I tried putting Mojave install USB in here and nothing happened. It wouldn't recognize it. So, alright, so now it's saying installing software update. I saw this before today, so I wonder if it's just not taking it now with the Sapphire card. Hard to say. Alright, thanks for watching, and again, we're trying to get Mojave on here. Watch the next video.